This tutorial shows you how to upload and save your important files to Google Drive for safe storage on your Android device. First, open the Google Drive application on your Android device. Next, you'll see your Drive home screen with existing files and folders. Following that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now, a menu will appear with different options. Tap on Upload to add files from your device. Moving forward, you'll see options to upload from different locations. Tap on Browse to select files from your device storage. Afterwards, navigate through your folders to find the files you want to backup. You can select photos, videos, documents, or any other file types. Tap on a file to select it for upload. To select multiple files, long press on one file, then tap on Additional Files. Selected files will show a blue checkmark. Once you've selected all your files, tap Open or Upload at the bottom right. Google Drive will start uploading your files to the cloud. You'll see a progress notification showing the upload status. Wait for the upload to complete. Alternatively, you can enable automatic backup for photos and videos. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of Google Drive. Tap on Settings from the menu. Look for Backup and Sync or Google Photos Backup. Tap on it to access backup settings. Toggle on Backup Photos and Videos to enable automatic backup. Your photos and videos will now automatically upload to Google Drive whenever you're connected to Wi-Fi. You can also choose backup quality like original or high quality. Original quality uses your drive storage, while high quality is free with compression. Select your preferred option and tap Done. Your files are now safely backed up on Google Drive and accessible from any device. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you back up your files on Google Drive, give it a like, subscribe for more Google Drive tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.